It is said that a shepherd used to watch a herd of Hazrat Solomon. One day a wolf approached him and said, "Give me a sheep." The shepherd replied, "They belong to Hazrat Solomon. I'm just a guard." The wolf added, "You go to Hazrat Solomon and ask him, does he let me catch a sheep?" The shepherd said, "I'm afraid that if I went, you would attack the sheep." The wolf laughed and said, "I will take care of them. If I hurt them, I would become a man from the nation living close to the day of the judgment." He cursed himself. On hearing that, the shepherd went away. On the way to Hazrat Solomon, the shepherd encountered 3 mysterious happenings. 1. He happened to see a cow drinking milk from its own calf. He was stunned. What does it mean, he thought. 2. He saw some people with the bags of gold, but they were dressed in rags. 3. As he stepped ahead, he noticed a spring. As he blindly ran toward it to drink water, its bad smell stopped him and made him flee. When he reached the Solomon palace and met him, he shared with him the story of the wolf. Hazrat Solomon listened and replied, "I let it catch a sheep and eat that." Later, the shepherd passed him his own curiosities. Hazrat Solomon replied, 1. The first is the sign of a dark period, when mothers will use their daughters for their jet set. 2. The second represents the robbers and the thieves. They earn black money. The unlawful earnings cause a stop to blessings. In the days just before the end of the world, unlawful earnings will become common, but satisfaction will come to an end. 3. The third represents the so-called honest people. They look like honest people, but they are kleptocrats when people observe them deeply. On hearing this interpretation, the shepherd said, "I seek refuge of Allah from the discord of that time." On his back, he let the wolf get a sheep of its own choice. The wolf had a bird's eye view and selected a thin and lean sheep. The shepherd inquired, "Why did you choose it?" To his surprise, the wolf replied that she was neglecting her God. He is in very trouble who neglects his God.